All right, we are going to start on 10.3 now. 10.3 is all about measures of spread. Basically finding your highest and your lowest terms and then doing stuff with that. So for example, range, which you might have heard of before, is the difference between the highest and lowest terms in a set. The highest and lowest, the difference between them. So finding range, in our first question here, you could read through it if you want. I just jumped down right to the numbers because it's asking us to find the range of the data. And I saw the 52 as the highest and the 37 as the lowest. If I subtract those, I got 15. 15 then is my range of those numbers. Next, 86 and 67, if I subtract those, I get 19. Those are my highest and lowest. I subtracted them. 19 must be my range. The number of trading cards owned by 7 middle school students are given below. So these are the number of cards that these students have. It's quite a few of them, okay? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to look at this question where it says at the bottom here, suppose the number changes from 596 to 722. So basically that last number up here is going to change to a 722. And then it asks what's going to happen. Really quickly, if we're talking about the median, you've got to know that that's not really going to change anything because no matter what it is, you're going to cross it out anyway when you start to find that middle number, right? The median's not going to change no matter what that final number is. Median's still going to be 539. So I already went down there for this one, for the median, and I said that's going to stay the same. For the mean, that's obviously going to increase it, because 722 is bigger than 596. So that's going to increase it. Next. So we have 3,598. This is coming from me adding up all of those numbers and then dividing it by 7. Okay, if I use the 722 instead, adding them up would give me 3,724. If I divide that by 7, you can see that it's obviously bigger. In fact, it's bigger by exactly 18, and that's what you would have to plug in into ALEKS. For the last one here, this was me adding them all up. It's the same exact problem, except you're changing from the last number from 12,075 to 5,000 or 1,545. So I'm switching it to that one. These are your two different sums when you added them up. You're still dividing both of them by 9, and you can see that the one that's bigger is bigger by 30 once you divide those. So that would be my answer. Going down to the outlier, I've already talked about this. There's not a really great definition of an outlier because it's kind of up to your interpretation. You're trying to find a number that really doesn't look like the others. So if I'm looking through this set of data right there, there's one obvious one that sticks out, 195. That would be my outlier, and that's all it's asking me for in this question. For the bottom one, it looks like 88 would be my outlier. That's way higher than all the rest of them. So that's my outlier, and I'm done with that. Good luck on the homework, and thanks for watching.